Welcome back once again to Learn with Your Brains, and today we are going to start with our models in the student information system. So without wasting much time, let's start with general settings. So when you click on general settings, this is what appears in front of you as an IT administrator for the school you've been posted as the coordinator in charge. Now let's start with the basic. Now with the basic, you see set your school name. We already set Islamic Girls Senior High, located in Suhum, as our school name, and we gave it what abbreviation at Islamic Girls. So you also can insert your school name and give it abbreviation. Then after that, you save it. So when you click on save, it will save everything. Because I've not done any changes yet, I've set it as it is. It didn't show me any sign of saving because that's already saved. Now set semester. So this is where you are going to set your semester base. Please take note, when you are setting your semester, you should know the semester you are in before you change anything, otherwise it's going to affect your Excel sheet for the teachers. So we have 1, 2, 3. Now because you are doing 2 semesters, you always select either semester 1 or semester 2. So we are working on semester 2 in our school now. So after setting your semester, you save it, then you set your academic year. This is 2021 2022, and now we are in 2022 2023. So after every result has been uploaded, I would then switch to 2022 2023, and we will start with semester 1. That is all what I want you to know. Okay, so this is very important. You need to set this before you will do anything by assigning courses to your teachers. Otherwise, you will go, they will download the Excel and they will be seeing semester 3 or semester 1. Maybe you'll be in semester 2, but the other, if you assign the courses or subjects to them, it will show as semester 1 at their end. So you should make sure your settings, this settings is properly done before you move on. Now this is school logo. For this, it's already have the Ministry of Education logo here. So all you need to do is to just change your school logo. So if you have your school logo, you just change, then you click on this option, you click on drop image. It will send you to where your documents is, then you select anything from there and it will show here, as simple as that. Now when you come to the next subcategory, which is what the licenses. Actually, I don't know the license system they are using now, but you could see it has expired here with this license code. The last expiration was 30th 2022, but since it has expired, but still I think they need to change the license code so that we'll be able to get some new license code for this web interface. And when you go to, so when you have the license, all you need to do is you can also click on upload application license. Okay, when you click on that, you will upload it when you have it. If you don't have it, you leave it just like this. Now when you go to contacts, okay, support display email. So here, because you don't have license, these functions will not be working. Okay, so you just leave it at false, and mobile numbers too at false. Support display mobile phone, which means kindly provide support email that would be given to parents and users. Okay, so when you have, you can click on true and save it. And also kindly support a mobile number that would be given to parents. When you have it, you can set as true and click on save, and that's all you are done with this subcategory. Now when you come to web configuration, this is where when you started or anytime you try to log into the system, you see a display which has 920 by, so let's see, let's try to do something here. When I click on this, let's see what happened. You see, it reloads the page like this, perfect, before it signs us into the system, because I've already logged in. Now that is what I'm talking about here. So when you come to the web configuration, that is really the interface. The interface first, you see where you need to log in or watch some video. That is what it's talking about. So when you click on new web config, you are going to give what your website a new name, so that when any teacher try to log in, that new name is going to display to him or her with maybe your staff, like how I explained at first, that this is where you are going to do all those changes, so that you'll be able to get a new interface for your website. I hope it's clear. So I'm not going to do any web configuration now, because that will take a long of time, and we need things to be snappy so that you get the main core concept of why we are doing this tutorial. So I'll close this, and for the splash settings, this is what happens when you load the page. You see please wait with your logo, so you can put your school logo here and even change this to maybe welcome to your school name. Then this will be displaying. So example, when I go here, let me close this, then I click on Islamic Girls again, this is what I'm going to see. Okay, so this is the please wait and the logo as you saw it. Okay, so that was what I was trying to show you. That's it. So that is all for the general settings. So I hope you've got some information about the general settings of this system. So please make sure your semester is set well and your academic year is set well. I hope it's clear. That's the main important of the general settings we just went through. The rest is just some options you can work around with, but the main important is your semester base and the yearly calendar. I hope it's clear. So take care. I'll see you in the next tutorial, where we are going to tackle the grading system or the grading model.